here we present a wholesome wireless safety system for trains. As you can see, we have a prototype of a train where we represent a compartment and an engine room. So here we try to represent a safety system which will be triggered at the press of a push button, which is nothing but a threat sensor. So the series of events that follows.
Here is the compartment coach. It mainly consists of a Beaglebone Black and MSP 430G2553. Here we have interfaced the RF transceiver C110L with the MSP 430, and it mainly consists of a push button. Once the push button is pressed, the buzzer will be triggered in the neighboring two compartments, that is compartment 3 and compartment 1. And when this push button is pressed, the camera will also get triggered, and this camera will take the snapshot of a person who attacks the victim. And now after this push button, this MSP 430's RF transceiver will also get triggered, and it will transmit the coach number information to the main engine.
Once when the message has been received by the RF transceiver from the compartment, it will be displayed in the LCD. So the coach number will be immediately displayed in the LCD display. As you can see here, there is a GPS modem. So this GPS modem will immediately get triggered and it will start analyzing the coordinates continuously. And now one of these coordinates will be extracted, and using the GSM, this coordinate will be matched with the corresponding place through which the train is traveling, and this will be transmitted to the nearby police station. Also, as you can see here, we have used LT3VV to power the RF transceiver. Therefore, this makes this entire system a standalone system. So now we are going to see the working of this entire wireless safety system. As you can see, this is the default condition of every device that we have used in the compartment. Before a crime or an attack is taking place, every device, that is the camera, the push button, the alarms, they all are not triggered and they are in their default condition. Now here is the code that we have used for the Beaglebone. This has been entirely coded in Linux. As you can see, here is the coding for the alarm. The buzzer has been declared as the output, and the button, that is the push button, is declared as the input, and MSP 430 for which we have to supply the 5 volt, it is being the output. Now we are trying to code this in the Linux screen. We have coded and compiled the entire code in the com.cpp. Now we'll try to run this program. Once we run the program, we get this command as please press the button. So now we'll see what happens when we push the press button. Here you can see that both the alarms immediately have been triggered, that is in compartment 1 and in compartment 2. The respective alarms have been triggered, and as you can see, the camera has also been triggered here, and it would have for sure taken a snapshot of whatever is in front of it, but this would have been stored in the Linux, and now you can hear a message sound. This is the message that would have been sent to the police station. Here you can see the coordinate has been detected immediately by the GPS system, and this has been sent via this GSM module to the police station. This image snapshot which has been taken by the camera would have been stored in the Linux, which we'll see later when we switch over to the Windows. As you can see, this is the Energia code for both GSM and GPS that has been combined together. These are the commands respectively for the GSM, and as you can see here, these are the commands for the GPS, and here The coordinates have been extracted for the GPS and that has been accordingly sent through GSM to the police station, and the police station number here using AT commands we have stored, to which it has to be sent. And also in the engine room, as you can see, this is the receiver RF transceiver, receiver side of it. So this is the module which is responsible for receiving the message of the coach number and which you saw was displayed in the LCD. So thank you, and so this is our entire system of wireless safety system in trains. This is just a prototype where we have tried to show the safety system with respect to an engine room and one compartment, whereas when once this is being implemented in reality, we can use the GSM of railways, and this can be implemented on a large scale, due to which the cost can also be reduced and it can also be miniaturized using PCB boards or nanoscale circuits.